life. We all have different journey. Some so bitter, while some are sweeter than honey. The road could be straight for some, while others many got about, you see them turning. It's not funny, it's just the way life is. Many dimensions, many things to mention, pains all over the place like arthritis. It's the varieties of life, and that's why things are never the same. Some could be short, some tall, and this doesn't call for shame. Some are intelligent, some worthy, some hanging in the hall of fame. No need to keep pointing fingers at your brothers or sisters. We should all be ready to take the blame. I do not want to jump into labels, but that's what we've got. Skins with varieties of color. We don't need no discrimination, but to treat ourselves with honor. Life is embedded with varieties, many cultures, many traditions, so we can appreciate one another, irrespective of our geographic location. I see no reason why anyone should keep on discriminating. We're all descended from Adam, no need for us to be hating. United we stand, and that keeps us elevating our affairs in oneness. We are celebrating. We are brothers and sisters, we are a nation under God. We've got 2 hands, 2 legs, and red is the color of our blood. So let's support one another, be our brother's keeper. The world needs more kindness, let's rescue it from sinking deeper. A scholar once said, God loves variety and hates monotony. Let's embrace our diversity with unity. That's the highest autonomy. Peace.